It is reliable to know that the spices we eat every day are managed and sold so carefully and cleanly. These robotic arms work very well as workers. The D-Cut double-lane MSC 180 slicing machine is a third-generation silk slicing and cutting machine. It's really clean and made of Korean. Who work hard to bring you the most delicious and quality cuts of meat. Meatballs, one of many people's favorite dishes, will captivate your taste buds with just one look. Looking at the regular and smooth meatballs, you can't help but marvel at the sophistication of the preparation process. Behind the meatballs is the effort and skill of the cooks who turn simple ingredients into an attractive culinary masterpiece. Do you love the taste of sausage? Looking at the hot sausages, you can't help but be attracted by their attractive colors and shapes. This is not just a piece of food, but also a work of art created from the thoroughness and sophistication of the processing process. The fragrant aroma of sausage makes you unable to help, but want to enjoy it immediately. Each piece of sausage is a perfect combination of rich flavors of meat and spices, creating a culinary experience full of variety and appeal. Sausages are not only a delicious dish, but also a symbol of harmony and satisfaction in every meal. Minced meat is not only a basic ingredient in cooking, but also the basis for countless delicious and diverse dishes around the world. From rich sausages to delicious hamburgers, minced meat plays an indispensable role in every family's kitchen. With its softness and smoothness, minced meat opens up space for creativity and freedom in preparation. Modern machines bustle into motion, turning raw ingredients into crispy, delicious noodle snacks. Each batch of noodle snacks is born with an irresistible flavor. Noodle snacks are automatically packaged, then thoroughly checked for quality before being shipped. Noodle snacks are carefully packaged, carrying the flavor of fun and sharing, ready to come to you to experience exciting moments with you. One of the most important steps in that journey is the filling process. The ice cream filling machine plays a role in ensuring accuracy and uniformity for each box of ice cream. The machine operates on the principle of piston pumping, ensuring high accuracy in the filling process. Kerakin can fill many different types of solutions at a fast speed, meeting the diverse production needs of businesses. Imagine the moment you create your own jars of delicious miso, rich in Japanese flavor with the Tokyo Miso filling machine. With just a few simple steps, you can easily fill miso into jars quickly.